What's up, guys? This is what I do when the print is finished. So pull it off, and I make these airsoft lowers. I got two right there, but I make these airsoft lowers and I sell them on eBay. Basically, come over here every time, get my knife, and I just, without putting that much force, just taking off the side until it's smooth. And then I move to the next side and I just basically push it up just like that. If I don't want to mess it up too much, and you do it just right, you pull it off, but push it up just like that, and you just take your knife and you just run it all the way down it. Same thing on the middle. And you can find this for sale on eBay under Glock Airsoft Lower. Glock Airsoft Lower. Just do one side and then you repeat. Also, I do giveaways, so if you want to win something you want me to make, leave a comment down below. So I just basically just take my knife and I clean up everything that's in there. Most of it I can pull free. Just carve it off. Don't want to push too hard. There's probably other tools that you can use for this to make it easier, but a sharp knife does it for me. Cut away from you. Always cut away from yourself. Clean it all up and look just like that. Let's compare it. Oh, not that one. And now they're ready for sale.